The next one is actually one that I am ridiculously excited for. Get up all up in my face. Next one is a little bit of a controversial one. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the latest in beauty and Grazia beauty box. It has 18 products inside. It retails for £50 but has £244 worth of products in it. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. Now let's get into the box. So this is what this month's box looks like. If you take out the top two package as well, you can see it is literally packed to the brim. I really wanted to have a nosy of this when it first arrived, but I thought if I take all of this out, there's no way I'm going to get it to fit back in. So we're going to be opening the first time together. So the first thing in the pack is these Luma Tee morning and night supplements. So from the sounds of it, it's a health maintenance kind of supplement, and apparently you take 3 of them on the morning and 3 on the night as well. So it's meant to help with brain health, vitality, skin, hair, nails, strong bones, muscles, joints and teeth, meant to help with stress, a healthy immune system. So that sounds really, really good, and they're like little soft gel ones. Next up is this Tropic Hair Smooth Radiance Oil. So it says it's a savvy styling oil that works to hydrate and tame frizz in a flash for notably glossier lengths, which is totally what I need. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my hair is so static today. If you know as well, I'm really trying to help to get my hair back to be nice and healthy because it does fall out quite a lot. So I'm hoping this will help do the trick. Next up is one that I've never really heard of this before. It's called the Liquid Yoghurt Space Spray. It's from Mayo Skincare. This is what it looks like. I'll do a little close up for you. It says to put it on any pulse points or on your pillow or on your yoga mat for an instant dose of de-stress. So I probably use it on my pillows, but I have just signed up for the gym, and if I pay a little bit extra, I can actually go to the yoga sessions. So it might be something that I can consider putting on like before I actually go into the session. But it says it's meant to relax, calm and rebalance, and I need any kind of relaxation help as I'm just stressed all the time recently. So that sounds very, very interesting. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next up is 2 little products that kind of come as a duo. These are from the brand Miller Harris, which I've never heard of before. Is the Tea Tonique Shower Gel and the Tea Tonique Body Lotion, if I can spit my words out. And obviously it just does what it says in the bottle. The shower gel and a body lotion. The next one I am super excited for. This is the Ole Henriksen? Ole, I think it is, from when I've watched videos. This is the Truth Serum, and it's apparently a daily multivitamin which brightens and tightens and delivers all-day hydration. I've heard so many good things about this brand just from watching Jamie Genevieve. I really want to try like the banana primer, and I want to try the blue face mask as well, so I'm excited to see what that's like. You can now buy that brand in Boots as well if anybody wants to try it out or order it online. The next one is something that I've heard so many good things about as well. I actually have one of these, but just not like a special scented one like this one. And I really, really want to try it to see if it's going to help the ends of my hair, with me like obviously being blonde as well. So this is the Philip Kinsley Pomegranate and Cassis Elasitizer. So it's like a pre-shampoo treatment which is meant to help any kind of skin type and helps to hydrate the strands from within. And I've heard so many good things about this. Devoted to Pink on Instagram raves about it as well, so I'm excited to try it anyway, but also to try a scented one. Another little goodie for my hair is from Bumble and Bumble. I actually love Bumble and Bumble products. This is the Dry Spun Texture Spray. I don't know if I've tried this before. I don't feel like I have. It's a translucent dry finishing spray which meant to add volume and long-lasting lift as well. And I have a lot of hair, but it's very thin. So it's always kind of like thin up here as well. So I'd love it to be a bit thicker, and hopefully this will do the trick. Next up is a product from Eve Lom, which is looks like this. I've heard really, really good things about this before. I don't think I've ever tried it. It's their cleanser, and if you know me, you know that I'm all about these kind of melt-off cleansers with a flannel. Ooh! I wasn't expecting it to be that kind of texture. I don't really know what I was expecting. But I absolutely love the Emma Hardy one, so I've heard really good things about the Eve Lom one as well. And it is a bestseller, and it says to use it twice a day, and it's a fast track to glow your skin, so I'm all about that. Another one for my hair as well. I'm absolutely loving all these different products for my hair. This is the Briogeo, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Scalp Revival. So it's a charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. It says it has no harsh sulfate, silicones or parabens in as well. So it just says to apply it on your wet hair, and massage it into your scalp and throughout your hair. Rinse and repeat if necessary. I've never really heard of them pairing up charcoal and coconut oil, so that's going to be like a different combination. But it says in the back that they have a charcoal and peppermint oil cooling jelly conditioner, so that'd be cool to try as well. But yeah, apparently it just helps to detox and soothe your scalp, and it also has peppermint in this one as well. Charcoal, peppermint and tea tree. Next one is a little bit of a controversial one depending on how you're feeling on the whole topic. But this is from Kat Von D. This is the Go Big or Go Home mascara. So it's meant to give you big blown out volume, and apparently it's everything that you've ever wanted in a mascara. And I'm glad that it comes in black, because I hate when you get like samples of mascaras and it comes like in brown, and no one ever wants to try a brown mascara. Well, I definitely don't. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me know down below, what do you think about the whole Kat Von D thing? Like, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you want me to test that? Let me know what you think. Next up is from the brand Irelia Probiotic Skincare. This is the Aromatic Repair and Brighten Hand Cream, which just looks like this. Apparently it's a luxury cream which meant to help with any kind of stubborn pigmentation and helps to leave your hands in tip-top shape. If I'm honest with you, any kind of hand creams I give to one of the nurses at work, because she literally puts hand cream on her hands all day long. So this will probably go to one of the nurses at work as well. Next up, we have a product from BareMinerals. BareMinerals isn't really a brand that I've kind of dibbled and dabbled in much, so I'm excited to try this. This is their original Prime Time Primer. It's meant to be a best-selling mineral-packed primer which glides on with ease and leaves no tacky trace. Sometimes I like a tacky trace, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do any kind of first impressions on any of these products, especially like the makeup ones, because I'm totally up for that. Speaking of bestsellers, the next product is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. I actually bought this little mini size one from somebody's blog sale about a month or so ago, and I've been treasuring it because it's really, really, really good, but obviously a bit pricey. So it's meant to be like a soothing cream that you put on underneath your makeup, and it's meant to make your makeup like look beautiful, and it really, really does. I kind of got onto the hype from like watching YouTubers use it, like Jeffree Star. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. I think if you wanted to try it, definitely pick up this box, because the other goodies that are in it as well, totally worth the £50. The next one is actually one that I am ridiculously excited for. This is from By Terry. It is their best selling, probably the most talked about product from By Terry. This is their Balm de Rose, and oh my god, honestly, when I saw that this was in this box, I was like, oh my god, I actually own it, because I would never spend like the price that it costs. I would never spend that on like a lip balm. So every single blogger absolutely raves about this. Everyone that I've ever heard like talk about it. And it smells so good, but like it is so pricey for what it is. So like I said, if you want to try it and try out loads of other products as well, definitely pick up this box. I will leave it linked down below. Check it out, work it out. Like I said, £244 worth of stuff for 50 quid. You can't go wrong, like you really, really can't. And it's got so many best-selling products in. The next one that I'm going to show you is a huge, huge hit as well. My friend Katie absolutely loves it. It's from the brand Vita Liberata. It's their body blur. So this is the one that's in the shade Latte, and it's 100ml as well, so it's not like a little dainty bottle, it's like a big full size one. So this is described as a foundation for your body. It's meant to be like a natural looking coverage that doesn't budge or smudge. Katie actually did a video, a picture on her Instagram where she had like one leg just plain and one leg with this on, and it just smooths out the skin. It adds a bit of colour to it as well, and it's something that I need to try more. I think I've got another bottle of this in my drawer, and it's something that I've never got around to trying. So it's definitely something that I'm going to be trying out. Let me know if you want me to do it in a video, putting it to the test. let me know. Give it a thumbs up. The next one is, again, another really, really raved about product. This is I can't even pronounce it. I'm just literally going to show you the bottle. That is what the brand is called. And it's their Rosewater Balancing Mist. Like I said, once again, it's just one that is so raved about. Just looks like this. It's light hydrating mist, has rose essential oils in it, which are meant to improve your skin tone, improve your moisture levels and skin balance. It has marshmallow and aloe in it to hydrate the skin surface, and it's meant to make your skin feel hydrated, refreshed and dewy. So I am so excited to try this, and this is a full size one as well, so this is 100ml. Yes, please. Get up all up in my face. Item number 18 is this Lancaster Tan Maximizer After Sun, which helps with the melanin production, so that it actually makes your suntan last an extra month. And it's meant to repair the skin as well. I am going to be booking a holiday soon, hopefully to Australia for 3 weeks. So this will definitely come in handy for that. But it's still up in the air at the moment. But that is all 18 products from this month's Grazia and Latest in Beauty box. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn that notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up. Everything is linked down below. Don't forget to check it out. Like I said, for the products that are in this box, £50 for £244 worth of products is absolutely amazing. Even if you just want to have a little play around with things, here's your chance to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys. Bye!